Well, I will show you what it looked like before I did this. I should have started this earlier. This is my new QS8.1 keyboard, or what's left of it. I have middle C that's not working, and the pads are dirty, basically. And the pads are underneath, well, this piece here, this beige colored thing. There's one of the ribbon cords. There's another one. One's for the upper keyboard, one's for the lower. All these screws, these silver screws, have to come out and take each individual board out and clean it. Clean the pads. I will show you the pads when I get back. Now, I have all those off of there. Those are the little pads. The little connections on those. And those are all what need to be cleaned. The little black things. And then we got all this here with a weighting system, since this is a weighted keyboard. Ding ding. So anyway, there we are.